On September 29, 2022, Hurricane Ian devastated the Cinnamon Cove community in Fort Myers. A 3-foot wall of seawater swept through the area, submerging the community and destroying everything in its path. Around the Fort Myers area, the hurricane storm surge reached 15 feet, accompanied by Category 4 winds at 150 miles per hour. Seacoast had just 3 months to replace thousands of feet of gutters, fascia, and soffits across 130 homes in the Cinnamon Cove community, a formidable task within such a tight time frame. These tasks had to be completed before the seasonal snowbirds returned. Despite the tight timeline, we fulfilled our promises and successfully completed the multi-task project. While thousands of contractors can install basic gutter, fascia, and soffit systems, our company specializes in performing this high-risk work on multi-story buildings with challenging factors like varying sidewalk heights, landscape obstacles, and heavy foot traffic. Seacoast proficiently planned and coordinated the immense gutter reconstruction, ensuring materials were ready in advance. After demonstrating our specialized skills and safety methods to the Cinnamon Cove Association, they awarded Seacoast building and design contracts for 5 additional 3-story buildings. Projects of this scale typically require coordinating multiple contractors, often leading to problems and delays. Seacoast was able to combine the new carports, storage lockers, gutter systems, and numerous other tasks as a single provider. The Cinnamon Cove community expressed elation and gratitude upon the project's completion, having successfully coordinated with a single contractor to handle all the necessary trades allowed for a streamlined process. If your Southwest Florida home or condominiums require roof repair or replacement, you now have a sure resource by which you can be confident.